We'll guide you through how to create and edit paths in Inkscape, making your vector graphics journey smooth and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and start a new document. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and then selecting New. Now, let's create a path. Click on the Bezier Curves and Straight Lines tool, which looks like a pen on the left toolbar. Click on the canvas to create nodes and segments, clicking multiple times to shape your path. When you're done, press Enter to finalize the path. Now, to edit this path, you'll want to use the Edit Paths by Nodes tool, which is the second icon on the left toolbar, resembling a small arrow pointing to a square. Click on your path to see all the nodes. You can click and drag these nodes to adjust your path. If you need to add more nodes, simply double click on the path where you want the new node. You can also delete nodes by selecting them and pressing the delete key on your keyboard. For more precision, you can use the node panel on the right, where you can adjust the node type, such as making it smooth or cusp, which changes how the path segments behave around it. If you want to convert your path to a shape, select it and go to Path in the top menu and choose Object to Path. This allows you to add fills and strokes using the Fill and Stroke panel, giving your path a finished look. Remember to save your work by clicking File and then Save As, choosing your desired file format. Inkscape supports various formats, including SVG, which is great for web graphics. Practicing these steps will help you become proficient in creating and editing paths, unlocking the full potential of vector design. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.